We identify, we capture, and we do a motion control to levitate the bow and land it softly within the cradle. Hi, my name is Amitei Peleg. I'm co-founder and CEO of Sealartec company. Sealartec company specializes in autonomous launch and recovery systems, and we're very happy and proud to have a demonstration of one of our systems installed here on board of Stiletto. I used to operate boats for the Israeli Navy. We did a lot of launch and recoveries in harsh sea conditions. After the military service, I was designing USVs for the defense industry in Israel. So I had the chance to look up close how USVs are designed, what are the considerations, and launch and recovery was always a topic. Thinking of how to create systems that are taking the human factor out and allowing to do a fully autonomous recovery in harsh sea conditions. One, we can capture the bow of the boat in any sea conditions without human intervention, and that's the most important and critical part of the process. We make the identification of the boat in the capture zone autonomously, so the system knows where the boat is, when the boat is ready to be captured. And with the stern wrap system, we also have a motion control that allows us to do after the capture of the boat. We restrain the bow motion and we land it on the ramp in a controlled manner, in opposite to how stern ramp are being used today. In opposite to how stern ramp are being used today, where the boat operator is just being very skillful, very brave, and a little bit lucky to be timing the right timing to go with the sloshing effect and the turbulences, go in with a lot of energy. We do it differently. We just ask the driver to come to the stern of the ship, just match the speed very, very easily, and we do the rest. We identify, we capture, and we do a motion control to levitate the bow and land it softly within the cradle. And we've done it here. It's been a very successful event.